appreciate once again Immunizer is not just a blogger. He's a fantastic one who has given his time to find out and look for the truth. He has done, because what his latest video, at least that will give us like a shed of light in which we are going to discuss and broaden the scope of this discussion or this particular issue on. I would not like to bore you talking too much. We like to go straight as we have a match left to watch today. Yeah. Can you listen? It started with the welfare officer. Let me start again so that the welfare officer, the step the welfare officer took as against even what the court tried to say. Okay, let's start. That they cannot use Mohbad for the DNA test. That they should rather use an uncle, an auntie, or a grandparent. Can you see? This is a confirmation that the welfare officer that was appointed by the court to supervise, because the agreement was that the sample will be taken in their presence. Though there was still a kind of dissent or disagreement on the fact that Baba would not know, or no party would know where the DNA will be done. At least that one was still an issue which Baba was not satisfied with, and his lawyer promised him and explained to him how he was going to go by it. But along the line, as God will have it, the welfare officer that was appointed by the court to supervise the conduct of the DNA testing had to call Baba's lawyer that, look, Mr. Barrister Ogungbe, can you help us reach out to your client, the applicant, who is requesting the DNA, that is Mr. Joseph Aloba, to present either himself or the mother of the deceased, or brother of the deceased, or sister of the deceased, so that they can take their sample. Invariably, as against the request and 100% certainty which Baba was expecting and has been designed, submitted to the court, as against that, they now wanted to use, because Baba made it known through his lawyer at the court that we can't do a fluid-based DNA, and the sample we are going to use will come from Mohbad. The only, thank you, Giltas. The only DNA pattern that will be used is a tissue-based DNA. The tissue-based DNA, certain thing, and if a particular tissue or whatever will be taken from Mohbad and used to conduct the DNA, which will give an 100% certainty, a transparent process, and a trusted result. So when the officer called Baba, present somebody, they now wanted to do a fluid-based DNA, which could be done in any DNA lab in Lagos. In which even, let's continue, don't let me say much, let's continue so that we listen. Please follow up. We might not spend much time because there are other things I need to do, but I just need to clarify and let us understand where we are and where we aim to be going. Thank you.
Nigerians, when I see this one now, pay attention to what I'm about to say. What to the end? Grab a popcorn and listen attentively. If you don't use mobile, now follow me. Now I'm going to show you all the evidence. Watch. So first of all, for clarity's sake, firstly watch this. I don't talk say I'm exposed to now. Watch this first. When you lawyer, Connie, tell the judge who preside over the case, these people don't bring different things to this court just to delay this DNA. And anything they bring, they've always been agreeing to.
So that's Wunmi blogger talking. They have brought so many things. The Mario guy who is being used to to manipulate and to spread after God has used VDM to lay what's the name of this blogging outfit? Don't look at it that is spread the wrong narrative. Yeah, thank you, man. Gistlover. After Gistlover had been cancelled by VDM. So this is another agent of false spread. agent they are using to spread false rumor. Let's continue.
Everything with Baba Mohbad and his lawyers, the previous lawyers, them bring before this one. But that this one isn't possible. They will not allow them to take the DNA to the court where only Baba Mohbad knew about. So they can't bring results where they don't understand that it won't work. The lawyer comes and says that is actually true. That all this one with this case, they go here, go up, go down, and Baba Mohbad and his brother.
As against the lie, this guy is saying, Baba Mohbad in his prayer to the court, he wrote the address, the name, the location of the lab he is suggesting. It's not to be taken there by himself. It's not to be. At least the addresses, one in the UK and one in the US, had been communicated to the court, and the court is aware. Likewise, the other party too is aware. Let's go.
That the cover. So the court now come talk say, whatever the case may be, that they, the court, will be the ones to preside over this case. They will be the ones to carry this DNA, go any hospital of their choice. So yes, you see, Mario, their mouthpiece, make that video on the 9th of December 9th, 2025. Now, that way the officer come message by Salvigbe, Baba Mohbad's lawyer.
Yeah, after the court had said that, okay, don't worry, as at the time, as at the last sitting, in which, okay, you want to do the teaching with DNA, you don't want any party to know where you are doing it, but at least samples will be taken, and we are going to. Baba made the request again to the court that, look, don't worry, we'll get there. The lawyer had already had his own strategy, which was communicated properly to his client, and he has already drafted channel a way to get his client's prayer answered at the court. So he had already designed it. All of a sudden, the welfare officer came with his own different. Let's listen.
Good afternoon, I'm the social welfare officer assigned to Aloba case from the welfare department in the state. I was given your contact information by court in Kolubusa. I have been able to secure a center for the test, and I have some information for you concerning your client that they have seen a lab that they will use to conduct the DNA test in this Nigeria. Now, I would like us to fix a day to meet with other parties as far as you can do to this welfare officer who sent the voice notes. Now, this lab that they are talking about.
So the welfare officer sent a text message to Barrister Ogunbe, Baba's lawyer, telling him that they have secured a lab to conduct the test. Secure a lab. When we are giving you addresses at least lawyers will not argue with the judge, but you are going to push your case before the judge. Whatever the judge says, as your lordship, this is the answer. So the lawyer had already designed his rational approach to how he could get his client request before the court. Until this one now came, sending the text, he had secured a lab or whatever. Let's listen. After that, he then sent a voice note to the lawyer. Let's continue.
Okay. So after making inquiry, the breaker officer, they said that the court will choose which lab they will use. Now, the breaker officer don't go find the court come for Nigeria. They are now, they can't send the voice note with the lab talk. Now, listen to the voice note. Now, here they stop. I'm going to be lab.
To your question, we do not take samples from third parties that want to get open communities now. As we do not take samples from these parties now. In this case, what I would advise is to get a court order that says that we can test this person's sibling. The person has a sibling now.
Can you listen? The voice note might not be clear for at least for security reason and for reason of privacy. So he's saying that they cannot take sample on the deceased that is advising in his own that a sibling, one of the siblings of the deceased. Let's listen.
In this case, it's not that we're doing an echo test or an auntie test or even a grandparent.
Either they use an uncle, an aunt, or a grandparent. Can we now see how Barrister Ogungbe had boxed the agenda to a corner? They are now coming out. They want to use either aunt, uncle, grandparent to conduct a DNA testing that the applicant had already highlighted how and where these things could be done. Thank you. Let's continue.
Either one auntie and the child in question, or one uncle and the child in question, or one of the grandparents and the child in question. I also need to note that 1 in 4 chances you might get an inconclusive result when you're doing an avuncular test. So
can you listen to the controversial statement made by this OSG officer that though there could be 1 in 4, there is 1 in 4 among if the deceased part is not being used, it's like 1 to 4. It's a ratio of 1 to 4 that the result is inconclusive. Let's listen.
you advise that you just a grandparent.
Nigeria, they even say inside the first day, the hospital is even telling them, say, 1 in 4 chances.
Yeah.
You can get inconclusive. And I tell them to taste and uncle and aunt.
1 in 4 chances. If the suggested sample, the uncle, the auntie, the grandparent is used, 1 in 4 chances, there is likelihood of the result being inconclusive. You can see the manipulation and how they are trying to twist Mr. Joseph Aloba. Let's give credit to Barrister Ogungbe for his openness, because I know Barrister Ogungbe made well, let's continue.
So you can be when you know that 1 in 4 chances, the result will be inconclusive. I don't know, say, you Nigerians, the way we now use your head, who is the manipulator? Like, when officer at the lab, why you did not know the person that is talking? In this person, we did not know the hospital, they did not tell the program Mohbad to that they don't know the hospital. So now the hospital is saying that they cannot use Mohbad. They use an uncle, an auntie, and a grandparent, but 1 out of 4 chances, the result might come out inconclusive. So if you do have, it comes out inconclusive, they will still extend it again. There will be no.
Can you imagine? Can you see why the Lagos State want to turn Mohbad name to Ileri Oluwa province?
This is Dion Otto, Orlando Pirates defender. This is Dino Violet.
Mohbad inconclusive because the autopsy that was done came with inconclusive results, and even the DNA before it's being done at the earlier stage, even before any step, the person that will conduct, supervise, and oversee the DNA is saying that there is possibility of the result being inconclusive, and they still want to go ahead to do it. So anyway, I know Pastor Ogunpe, I've never met you. I trust your job, I trust your professionalism. You know best way to deal with the case and to even deal with the person who has brought that suggestion. It's telling us that there is likelihood of the result being inconclusive, and you are embarking on it after you have been given a 100% certainty assurance that we are going to get the right result in a way of doing a tissue-based DNA using Mohbad sample. Let's continue.
See the conclusion of the court. See, the court talks say, at the end, the court talks say,
outside of that, we cannot proceed with the test to the disease parties.
And the people now understand say, outside of that, we cannot test Mohbad. We cannot use Mohbad for the test. We cannot use someone that don't fight for the test.
Can you see the job that the welfare officer is doing? That outside those auntie, uncle, sister, brother, grandparents, that outside them, they cannot use Mohbad body. He is ruling it out completely. That is a good ground. This is what Pastor Ogunpe has been waiting for. This is a good ground that even if the court does not finally favor or does not give advice, prayer, a good ground to appeal. But this matter must be presented at the court first, so that it can serve as, it can join as a body of facts and evidence to appeal upon. This is professionalism, not noise making, not street chanting. This is professionalism. More evidences are still coming before February 3rd. I am very sure of that, and I know that this is one of the. Well, don't let me talk much, because it's a matter of God.
So when you go fight for Naija, they say they cannot use Mohbad, but they can use Mohbad uncle with yam, Mohbad auntie with yam, or Mohbad grandparents with yam. But out of 4 cases, it might come out inconclusive. So what first one, guys, listen now.
Why should you bring that? If you already know that 1 out of 4 chances it might come out inconclusive. Why then? Naija, Eko, Ìjọba, Jesus, Olúwa, láìláìlọ́lọ́. Please, let's stop and share, please. Let's stop and share so that we can round up on time and we can enjoy these things together. This analysis we learned, it is not over until it's finally over, and it will not over unless we get this justice. Let's go.
This is an analogy. So if the welfare officer, if they make access to the welfare officer, they still get access to the hospital who won't conduct the test, and they say they don't want to use mobile, they want to use uncle auntie. Do you think they can be compromised enough? Some people are saying, William, say another person, no point William for. Do you think that person they cannot swap?
Káwá sọ̀rọ̀ débẹ̀, káwá sọ̀rọ̀ débẹ̀. Àṣà, it is in Lagos, it is in Yoruba, I heard it, that ọ̀rọ̀ nǹkan tó kó bá ṣe tilẹ̀ ló máa gbé ní Naija ni. Anything is possible as long as it is done in Lagos. Anything is possible as long as it is done in Nigeria. And that is why Mr. Joseph Aloba has designed a framework, not just a way, a framework of how to get in a transparent form, in a trusted way, and in an uncompromised situation. He has highlighted it. And we are here saying this, saying that. Georgia, you go coach Dano. Georgia?
The sample of the original papa, since you don't think that they will not do as if in a mobile they use Adura now. Because they will not want to use a mobile, no man.
No, Adura will. Well. Panelists ready. I know my panelists, they will, at least if it's 2 or 3 panelists that we bring up today, at least they'll be able to analyze and explain clearly what he's trying to say. I'm just here to Nigeria ID and Lagos ID. But my panelists, I know what I do understand, you understand better. And you'll be able to say it as it is and how they are trying to spoon feed us. Yes.
The can easily swap this out with the original papa. I'm not saying that's not bad. I'm just saying analogy. That's what I'm trying to say.
Analogy, we are not accusing anybody yet. Analogy.
You see the reason why they are dragging it that they want to do it in Nigeria. See, make all the courts even do stuff to me. They don't know which hospital. See, they cannot be bad. But guess what? The reason should back down.
Barrister Ogumbe. As of today. He has moved every mountains. In this case, in this DNA matter, he has moved every mountains. Please, like, share, or we should shut down the live. Let's like and share. We are at least, if we like and share, we can at least change pattern, discussion. Let's like and share. You can see what Ogumbe has been able to do. I wish Ogumbe started this DNA matter. I know that I know you from my mouth. You go here say Temu lawyer. Not with my mouth. I know that lawyer that always come to insult, to yab, and to throw shit at Baba. So let's continue.
The lawyer on this case, come and see his feedback. See, I don't know see the manipulator. Papa Mobile is this. Papa Mobile, I need to go. The man guy, come on. Papa Mobile.
No info again. So can you see the manipulators? Can you see where manipulation is from?
Who is the manipulator? Who is the friend? Who is the manipulator? Where? If you want to do anything, you see what the radio officer talk. Like, how is telling you this hard to do? They're not paying you already. They are not talking. It's too much because only two hospitals can do it. US and UK, they can go to and there.
There are several hospitals that can do it in the UK, in the US. But Baba had been able to pick two reputable labs. The address, the name, has communicated to the court. In which both parties are aware of the development. The why the corner, why the koro, why the ononubo. I can't even follow the route that will be peaceful, transparent, trusted, and can give us a result that we are going to have confidence in. Thank you. You are gone.
Because the crisis is just enough. Now, the option we can come today from the now look at the reply out. Come on, bad lawyer. What's my reply of this better? And you can tell me it's Tadano. Don't say my life don't spoil, But you see Mario come out to give you that disinformation. You don't come and talk out. I mean, you don't see anything we don't feel one thing. You just say, no. For me, I'm saying we don't see all this thing, so. When they say that I'm ready for, you go allow me then. They don't hear now, they don't know now. But that's not what they say, I don't want to come. No. Who is manipulator? Who me? But guys, I want you to share and post this video for other Nigerians once.
Please, let us follow, share. Let us follow Immunizer, please. Let's follow Immunizer. He's doing fantastic job. He's doing well. He is doing well by letting the world know the truth, understand the position at which the case is. Let's follow Immunizer. Let's appreciate him by following and sharing his post. Repost, reshare, because a lot more are still coming, according to him. Yeah.
Now this is the reply of the barrister. Dear madam, okay, you now ask that. The lawyer now asks that.
That's Barrister Ogunbe responds to the welfare officer who is asking that Baba should present a member of the family so that they can use a member in a lab. In a lab that is found in Lagos. Undisclosed lab that is found in Lagos. Let's continue. Here, Barrister Ogunbe's response. So let's share, let's like, please. Double tap. Let's take this live go. Let's make this live go viral. Let's make it go viral. Let's go.
I don't understand the explanation. The welfare business is announced the voice notice from the DNA center in order for you to prepare your client for that. Prepare your client that this is what we want to do. This is why when I see the guy dear madam, on behalf of the Aloba family, we respectfully acknowledge the receipt of your updates regarding the DNA procedure for the paternity verification of Master Liam. We appreciate the effort of the court and your office in seeking to ensure transparency and fairness in this matter. However, we wish to formally communicate the position of the Aloba family as follows. Number one, rejection of your...
Can you listen? He wrote this. Thank you, gifters. Thank you, Ajami. Thank you, gifters. You can hear the response of Barrister Ogunbe to that welfare officer. We appreciate what you are doing with what we did with that, toasting level of this is that way. Even but at least that I would like to communicate the position of Aloba family to you. Let's go.
Option presented. I want you to share and post this video for other Nigerians what she said. Share, repost, and update him, guys. Don't worry. Now this is the reply of the barrister. Dear madam, okay, you now ask that. The lawyer now asks that. Please, which voice notice is this? I don't understand the explanation. The welfare business is announced the voice notice from the DNA center in order for you to prepare your client for that. Prepare your client that this is what we want to do.
In the past, well, to some people who are trying to shade Barrister Ogunbe, I understand mẹ́ta, I understand, but notwithstanding, ṣẹ́rí inú orí ó máa ń gbéyàn pàdé aláwòrè orí èèyàn tó wà. At least so far so good as I speak to you right now. The next day, the next minute, if anything changes, mi ò sí níbi àwòsí mi, di sí níbi ìbàjẹ́, mi dẹ̀ sí níbi nǹkan kí nǹkan má dáa. Tí Barrister Ògúngbè bá yẹ ẹsẹ̀, I will come out to say that, no, at this point, at this junction, this man are doing this. But so far so good at this. Excellently, his performance are doing it top notch. Thank you. Let's go.
Family, we respectfully acknowledge the receipt of your bids regarding the VFA procedure for the permanent verification of mass carrier. We appreciate the effort of the court and your office in seeking to ensure transparency and fairness in this matter. However, we wish to formally communicate the position of the Aloba family as follows. Number one, rejection of the option presented.
Rejection of the option presented. He wrote directly to the welfare officer, and in which is in the file to be submitted at the court. No. Yeah.
The family is not pleased with the current option proposed. After careful consideration, the family cannot accept any procedure that substitutes. Why can we not use mobile? Why would you substitute? That substitute the biological sample of the late Loyola.
Can you please see? He has already made a position known as against all those who are peddling lies, trying to preach hatred, trying to castigate the right position of Mr. Joseph Aloba. He said that the Aloba family cannot and will never accept any substitution, any alternative given outside the biological sample of the acclaimed, let me say, the sample of the acclaimed biological father. Yeah.
Without obtaining other relative, he pro or parents thinking parents or extended family. Secondly, demand for a post-mortem parental test only. Yes, tissue-based test only. The family is
insisting tissue-based test only. All those that say, on the third, they will come and give you results of how is this one. They just look on this position, on this track, Baba is standing gidigba, uncompromised, resolute. Let's appreciate Barrister Ògúngbè in our mind. Let's appreciate and be delightful. Let's be delightful. Yeah.
Because what them mean that only Mohbad tissue sample must be used for the analysis.
Only Mohbad sample must be used.
To preserve blood tissue depending on what is available. So
that we can get
instruction. The lawyer, consideration, the family cannot accept any procedure that substitutes. Why can you not use mobile? Why would you substitute? That substitutes the biological sample of the late Loyola Mohbad without any other relative, the pro or bad thinking. Parents or extended family. Secondly, demand for a post-mortem parental test only. Yes, tissue-based test only. The family is strictly on the post-mortem parental test, meaning that only Mohbad tissue sample must be used for the analysis. It may include bone, tooth, or preserved blood tissue depending on what is available.
Can you see the tissue? They will use this. They will use that. We are not talking of the brain tissue alone. The wound, the teeth, the whatever can be used. Yeah, let's go. That is the position of Aloba, and the lawyer is pushing it. Even before the welfare officer, and we present. Don't worry, don't let me not talk. A job.
Available for forensic extraction. Yeah. The purpose of requesting this DNA test is to finally clear all doubt surrounding the paternity of mass carrier. Therefore, using any sample that is not directly from deceased defeats the very purpose of the exercise. It defeats the very purpose of the exercise. If you are not using Mohbad exactly, What are we doing?
Why are we deceiving ourselves? Just because you want to use field race. Àwọn tẹ̀lé sáré gbàtọ̀ ẹnu wọn. Tọ́ wọn lo skid wo tọ́ wọn pàṣípààrọ̀ at the end of the day. Anyway, you don't really talk out here about the situation as we see how now it be that. Concerns over possible inconclusive results. Yes, because if we don't use Super there will be inconclusive. The lawyer even highlighted and emphasized on it that at the potential inconclusive result. Part of four chances is you want to go ahead with this. I will not back in. You say one out of four chances it can be conclusive. You still want to go ahead. See manipulation. Concerns over possible inconclusive. To draw attention to the voice note earlier said, where it was clearly stated that tests done using relatives such as an uncle, sister, grandfather, grandmother, or siblings may return inconclusive. This reaffirms the family's insistence that only Mohbad's own biological tissue should be used to guarantee scientific accuracy and eliminate ambiguity. Yeah, you can listen. The lawyer said only the Mohbad sample can be used so that they can get scientific confirmation of the result and erase all ambiguity. That okay, because we use this, we can get 67%, we can get 70%, we can get 60%, we can get 75%. The lawyer is saying that only Mohbad sample in a tissue-based testing can give us accuracy. For tissue-based testing abroad, just two hospitals, US and UK, given the sensitivity and high stakes of this matter, the Labour family is not comfortable using any local idea. They don't talk how before. Exactly. It is clearly stated. Aloba family is not comfortable and will not approve any DNA testing that is done in Nigeria. Message well comprehended. Message well disseminated. Kí la wá ń tanra wa fún? Kí la ń pa láǹtí àhún? Kí la ń kúrọ́ fúnra wa fún? Kí la ń try láti wọn àbíjì? Please, let us try to. This 2026. Let us stop all those sermon of calumny. Let us stop all those messages, all those information that infuriate anger, that brings hatred. Let us stop it. This 2026. If you are for justice, justice is clean, justice is truth, justice is honest. Let's try to be honest. Don't let us say what we don't know. Don't let us say what we thought. Don't let us say, or don't let us force our own opinion, our own idea, which might be sinister on people. Don't let us. You can hear that the Aloba family will not go embark or accept any DNA testing that is not tissue-based. And it can only be done outside Nigeria. You cannot do this in Nigeria. It's not possible. You can say, oh, Nigeria, go find the goat. Go find the lab. The lab is the correct Dubai. Who is the manipulator? Who is the lady? Since October, November, they don't analyze the case. They find out it is inside the court beginning where people go to file, say, they cannot do it in Nigeria. Say, it's not that they are doing anything. They cannot do anything. You need to go. Let's like and share, please. Let's like and share, please. Let's like and share. The video will soon round up, and at least if it's just you three panelists that I'll bring up, let's eat as we listen. All I want, or all they will do on this platform is sincerity, honesty, and we are open to the truth. We don't Mago, the kingdom. Let's continue.
Now, see, so now, so now you can elaborate it as this poses a risk of compromise, contamination, or interference in the process. The family therefore requires that the DNA analysis be conducted only in the reputable and internationally accredited laboratory in the United States or United Kingdom, where forensic DNA tests, including tissue-based postmortem malaria array is routine and will be performed. Conclusion requiring that the content note of the application.
The lawyer, Ogumbe, God will bless you. Barrister Oladayo Ogumbe, God will bless you. Barrister Oladayo Ogumbe, God will bless you for this great feat that you have achieved. You are standing upright against powers and principalities to ensure that things are done in the right way. I appreciate you a million times. I appreciate you 10 million times as at now. I pray and I hope you are going to see it to the end in this in this way of uncompromised strength. Look, Ọlọ́run, ìyá mi, bàbá mi lọ́run, please join me to bless this barrister Oladayo Ogumbe. Ogumbe, I give it to you.
You see now you come and purpose. Because I see now where everything will be changed. Analyzing it. You don't jump off the analyzing it. As they don't see how many people for this mobile piece. Now break them with the plan for back. You know? See how can they see this? They don't see how many. But also, why would they even say to messing about bad lawyer and they even kind of rubbish?
I wonder, as in, at least, he has been looking for how to approach, he has been trying to get evidences of how to approach the court. But the spirit of Mohbad pushed them to approach Baba Mohbad's lawyer to talk to his client, and that one, according to what you are doing, if Benjamin kick against it, láyé KJ Kojo, má lọ síbẹ̀ yẹn, don't go there, don't go there. He told them the only DNA testing that Aloba family wants and are requesting is TUVs and Mohbad samples should be used. And let me say this, I appreciate Ogumbe for not even arguing with the judge. Now, okay, they go and look for it. He knew that they were still coming back to that court because the West officer and the other party that are nothing with the using the state power and state influence. They will want to say they want to do it in Lagos. And in doing it in Lagos, they cannot, even not anywhere in Nigeria would they conduct a tissue-based. We are saying we want to convert paternity of someone who gave birth to a child, and you want to go and use a family sample when the body is still very much available. And you can see, though it's not a situation that is pleasant, but at least, thank God, Baba had not agreed to go and bury that body. As if Baba had gone to bury that body,
YouTube Premium
is there. This is there. This is their target. This is their target that, okay, we will say we want to use a relative. And from there, the relative that we use will be fluid-based DNA. And we can, okay, first complete this and we can bring, finally, please be prepared at this.
Because this woman, she's not legally married to Mohbad. She's just Mohbad's baby mama. But the father, when I turn him back to the manipulator, the guys like, why did you guys are not on that? Because you cannot be done with Muhammad of them with me. And with me too. They are come. Why do you see them saying, see, Nigerians, you be more to judge, yeah? Click the follow button now, I'm still coming back. Because there's an update.
There's an update, more updates coming.
Click the follow button. Share this video. Repost. Yes, you can see, just mute. Jerry, we're thinking for up to price of movies, please work well.
lójú ayé rí di manipulator ni ó di manipulator rí jẹ lójú ayé.